Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Indra to build Spain's most advanced multipurpose drone factory in León under defense modernization plans. Indra Group will build its main and most advanced multipurpose drone and loitering munition factory in León as part of its industrial growth strategy and response to Spain's special modernization programs. The plans were presented during a meeting in León between Indra's executive chairman Ángel Escribano, CEO José Vicente de los Mozos, and the Secretary of State for Defense, Amparo Valcás. The new facility will be located in the Villadangos del Páramo industrial area and is expected to create 200 new jobs, while Indra also plans to hire a further 150 engineers to strengthen engineering capabilities at its existing León center. The company said the investment in the project will amount to nearly 12 million euros. I would like to thank Indra for its commitment and strategic vision in this project to provide the innovative solutions that Spain's security and defense require, said Amparo Valcás. She added, but above all, I want to thank them for their confidence in León and to reiterate our commitment to modern, technologically advanced armed forces and to a defense industry with a vocation for international leadership. Ángel Escribano said that new drone production center in León, where advanced unmanned aerial vehicle systems will be manufactured, contributes to ensuring national technological sovereignty in this field and meeting the current needs of the armed forces. Indra stated that the factory will concentrate production of unmanned aerial vehicles, including the TASIS tactical system, the Valero multipurpose aerial vehicle weapon system, and loitering munitions developed with Edge. The facility will feature dedicated assembly lines by drone type and is intended to begin manufacturing and integrating Class 1 UAS weighing under 150 kilograms for defense and civilian use. Serial production of munition-equipped drones is planned to start in 2027. Indra will also collaborate with León Airport and the Army's Air Systems Acquisition Group to establish a testing and validation center for drones and counter-drone solutions. The initiative strengthens Indra's weapons and ammunition division and supports its positioning in European and international markets. To reinforce its capabilities, Indra acquired Airtech Defense and Aerial Systems in 2025, adding the TASIS family to its portfolio, and recently incorporated unmanned system technologies from Wake Engineering. The expansion in León will also support work in areas including cyber defense, command and control, intelligence, communications, unmanned systems, counter-UAS technologies, and air traffic systems. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @electronics technology 50.